Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the introduction of gymnosperms. The groups of seed-bearing plants, spermatophyta, are divided into already they are divided into two types based on the degree of protection provided around the seeds. What are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms first it were the first they were used by theophrastus, gymnos, and means gymnos plus sperma. That is known as gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are believed to have two phyletic uh, origin. There are two different groups. One is coming from the Devonian period, and one is coming from Paleozoic era. Cycadophills, which are further formed by venititles and cycadales, and chordidactyls, formed by ginkgos and coniferals. What are the general characters of gymnosperms? Most of them are living evergreen shrubs. Uh, they are uh, they are found in xerophytic conditions. They are built to for the adaptation of xerophytic conditions. The plant body are saprophytic. That means it is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. Plant possesses well-developed taproot systems. Sometimes show symbiotic relationship, like the you can see that correlate roots found in plant cycas. They're example of what you say symbiotic relationship, and mycorrhizal roots of Pinus also show symbiotic relationship with fungi. The stems are usually erect, profusely branched, unbranched in cycas and woody. Sometimes, as in Zamia and S. tuberous, presence of leaf scars on the stem is characteristic features of gymnosperm. The leaves are usually dimorphic. The foliage leaves compound, while scaly leaves are present. In some cases, they are minute and dioecious. The roots are dial, diatopolarch. In cortege of the stem, tanniferous cells are observed frequently. The young stem has a ring, a collateral, and open vascular bundles are present. The xylem consists of two tracheids and xylem parenchyma. Vessels are absent, exceptional, like in channels. Phloem consists of sieve tubes and phloem parenchyma. Companion cells are absent. The stem shows two distinct secondary growth and conspicuous annual rings are present in the wood. The wood may be monozylic or pycnozylic. That is like in cycas it is monozylic, and in pinus it is pycnozylic. Leaves have thick cuticles and sunken stomatas.
सर आवाज बारीक करो लेक्चर में आ रहा है
So sorry for the disturbance. So the wood may be, we were discussing the wood may be monozylic or pycnozylic. Leaves are thick cuticle and sunken stomatas. Most gymnosperm leaves do not have little veins. The little translocations and nutrient-like take place with the help of transfusion of tissues. They are heteroporous mega and microsporangia occur on mega and microsporophyll respectively, which usually aggregates to form a compact cones or stobuli. Male cones are usually short-lived, like microsporangia develops from abaxial side of the microsporophyll. The number of sporangia per sporophyll varies from like two many in cycas, like there are two in pinus and there are many in cycas. The development of microsporangia is used to originate. The female cones are persistent on the plant several years. The megasporangium oil is naked in structure on the megasporophyll. Pollination is direct. That is, main pollination is by pollen grains are directly in contact with the oil. Their wind pollination is observed in all gymnosperms. There is a distinct alternation of generation. The diplophyte saprophytic phase is dominant, whereas the haploid gametophytic phase is reduced. The gametic phase is dependent on the sporophytic phase. The resemblance with angiosperm plant body are well differentiated. You can see they are differentiated to stem, leaves, and roots, as same as the angiosperm. Cambium is also present in gymnosperm, like dicots. Pollen tubes are present. Formation of seeds. Differences are in angiosperm. They are mostly present in vessels, companion cells, ovules. Uh, Pollination, fertilization method is different. Endosperms are different, and fruit formation is a lot different in angiosperm and gymnosperms. Uh, Here you can see the classification. There, Robert Brown in 1827 recognized gymnosperm as a separate group. Bentham and Hooker in 1883 placed them between dicots and monocots. Tigam divided spermaphyta in gymnosperm and angiosperm spermaphyta, but divided Coulter and Cabral in 1917 divided in Cyclophyta and Coniferophyta. Gymnosperm were divided into two classes, where they were divided on the presence of branched leaves, larger pinnately divided male cones, large compact and simple sporophylls. You can see the slide. The examples are given of Cyclophyta and Coniferophyta. Sportney in 1965, he divided gymnosperm in three classes: Cycadopsida, Corypsida, and Netopsida. Here you can see each classes further divided into different groups. Distribution. Gymnosperms cover mainly the cold region. Generally, they have been gradually split by more or recently evolved angiosperms. They have succeeded to grow in many parts of the world and occupy large areas of Earth's surface. Conifer forest, for example, cover the vast major northern temperate region, North American and Eurasia. In fact, it grows more in the northerly latitude than to angiosperm. Vascular plants that occur in the high altitude are genophytic, like Epidra. The lands in the southern hemisphere rich in conifer forest. In India, 16 genera and 53 species have been found. Out of six living orders, four are reported to be from India: Sacadales, Coniferales, Epidales, and Ginchenales. Ginkgo biloba is cultivated but not in habitat. The Sacadales is represented by four species of cycas, Coniferales by 11 genera. There are many found in Himalayan region, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, Aravalli ranges, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Pine cones forest and found in Himalayan region. Thank you. Next, we will see the detail of on this topic, gymnosperms.